Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please do your best to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time you do a new video. Make sure you share your comments. Make sure you share this video to a large network so that YouTube will push us to a very high audience. Okay, if you have done all this, I think you have done the best for you to become rich. And before I continue to the topic we have today, I want to use this opportunity to open your eyes. You see, I don't upload video frequently. Reason is because my video is success quality driven. I upload video when I look at the traders suffering or shortcoming or losses. When I look at the community, what the trading communities, what they are passing through, then I provide solutions. So my video provide a unique solution to a problem, to losses that trading communities are passing through. Now I want you to give me a like for this. So each video I upload comes up when there is need. So I upload video looking at what people are passing through, especially when it has to do with excessive losses. Okay, this is a free content. So if you want to actually become automatically wealthy, consistently profitable trading the Forex synthetic market, you need to enroll for my VIP courses. Check down the description of this video. You will see just one course you need to focus. You will be rich. Okay. Now, I have opened your eyes. I've made you to understand why I do my video the way I do it. Okay. Now, I'm going to take you to the topic we have today. This is Jump Index M1 Slowly Trending Scalping Strategy. Flip $5 to $1 million. Join VIP for infinity profit. You'll be asking how is possible? How is possible? I'm telling you the truth. It works. It's possible. Please, if you are watching me from some African countries, I want you to comment your country. Or if you are watching me from different countries that is not African country, please be specific so that I will help you to make money right there. Not actually only trading, but joining my affiliate Forex signal marketing. Because if you refer someone to join my Forex signal channel, then it actually is a Telegram channel. That's what I mean. If you refer someone to join my Forex signal Telegram channel, then you have a commission for that. I will teach you how to do it. I will give you the tools you need to become a successful affiliate marketer with respect to my VIP Forex Telegram channel. Are you getting what I'm saying? So that's why you need to comment your country. So let's just jump into the main thing we have for this video. Right now, Jump Index M1 Slow P Trending Scalping Strategy. Flip $5 to $1 million plus. Join VIP for infinity profit. Check the candle polarity in the dailies and H4. That is in the daily time frame and 4 hours time frame. The more the body is lengthy compared to the wicks, the stronger the signal. Make sure that the slope is greater or equal to 30 degrees. Make sure that the trend is either beginning or at the middle. buy on a completed retracement in M1 on a positive slope with bullish daily on H4 candle. I didn't put candle there, but make sure you put candle. Are you getting what I'm saying? Make sure you put candle and sell on a negative slope with bearish daily on H4 candle. Okay, don't mind the capital letters, it's just how the keyboard is behaving. You know, we are supposed to use small letter, use capital letter, don't mind it. Make sure you understand the content. That's what you need. You don't need to mind the lettering. Okay. So this is just the script of this video. I'm going to take you to the MT5 for you to see this thing practically, so that you can at least apply this in your trading. And after you make profit, try to comment, try to share the testimony, please, in the comment section, and try to join my VIP signal channel, is a Telegram channel, so that you will make huge profits. Okay? Yes, because I have dedicated myself to synthesize signals, so my signal will be more powerful than what you can do yourself, because most of the times you people don't have time to actually study the market, and I'm like, you don't have time. You might be working as a civil servant, or you will be doing one thing or the other, and you don't even know the right time to buy or sell, despite you have been watching a lot of videos in the internet or on YouTube. So that's why you need to join VIP. My VIP is not all that costly right now. Monthly is $100, lifetime is $1,000, and yearly is a kind of $840 with 40% discount. Those monthly and yearly are renewable. Okay. So I will take you there, baby. Okay, see, I'm going to show you this. See where I'm interested on. You see, I'm interested here. After the market range, because we are doing this on a trending market. See, the market, you have to first of all analyze the market in the H4 place, and I will come back to M1 so that we know when to buy and to sell. You check the day. Let me show you something. You see, this is around. I'm shooting this video around 11:31 p.m. or 23:31 GMT. Actually, it is night in Nigeria, and I was doing this video. You see, this candle, the body of this candle was actually here before, here, from bottom here to up here, before it starts to forming the wick. Okay, so don't mind the length of this wick. Previously, there was a time this wick does not exist, so it was all body. Okay, so in other words, the body length is actually greater than the wick combined, like the lower wick and the upper wick. If you add them together, the body length is greater. What is the body length? Like, just look at this candle right here. The length of the body, like this one, the length of the body is from here to here. Okay, but the length of the wick is, like, the upper wick is from here to here, and then the lower wick from here to here. Then you add it, you see that the body is greater. When you see such thing in a dynamic market like this, in a continuous market like this, in a market in which the price doesn't rest, doesn't sleep, keep changing, you should actually know that it is time to look for signal. But then you have to go back to H4. You also need to experience the same thing in H4. Like, the current H4 should actually have a very long body in such a way that the length of the body is greater than the total length of the wicks combined, and then they should have the same polarity. Like, if the daily is bullish, as I have been explaining, because the current daily, the daily I'll be showing you here is bullish, then the 4 hour must be bullish. In that case, the signal will be strong. Then how do you succeed here? You go to M1. When you come to M1 here, the first thing you need to confirm is that you need to confirm that this market has broken out of a ranging zone. You see, this, make sure you spot there must be a ranging zone. Make sure you spot that zone and make sure that the market has broken out of that zone, and then start forming a slope. Okay, now it will start forming a slope. You see, these moving averages will help you, but then you still need to draw a trend line in M1 to confirm. You can actually let me show you this moving average 20. This is EMA 20, this is EMA 200, the black one. So when price action is above both EMA 20 and 200, it shows uptrend. And remember, I'm using the past bullish candle in both H4 and dailies. So that is what we are looking. We are looking for buy signal on uptrend market or a positive slope. Okay, how do we see what I'm trying to say? Maybe you actually miss this breakout. You actually miss the breakout because you have to confirm that there is a breakout. Then after retest, maybe you miss this one too because you have to confirm that it is trending. Then it goes up and retests again and keep going. Then you can see that you can actually draw your trend line after you confirm breakout on the ranging mode, and then you see the markets, the price starts going above the moving averages. Okay, start going above the moving averages. You now see that it is time to buy. So how do you buy? Are you going to be buying here? No, never you make a mistake of being in a hurry to buy market when it has overbought. See, you have to wait for a retracement. You have to wait for a retracement to some levels, not necessarily to the trend line you draw or to the any of the moving average 20 or 20, but you have to wait, let it retrace until it retrace and then change direction and stop retracing. Like it retrace and how do you know that it has changed direction? It have to form a kind of U shape or V shape or create M structure. Like there must be a zone. A zone must be created to confirm that it is reversing. Like this is a zone, and this zone is actually M. Let me show you why it is M. Let me delete this. You see, it goes down here, goes up, comes back to retest, goes up. So in this case, this is trying to tell you that this market is no longer going down. But a very profitable situation happens when the price reacts to the moving average 200 and also this converge with any trend line you would have planned. Even if it didn't converge, once it reaches to moving average 200 and you wait patiently to clarify or to confirm that this is no longer going against you, like it's no longer going to break, you can enter, you will make huge profit. So just try to follow my instruction here, you will testify. Later I will upload live trading using this strategy and you will see it's working. Okay, so this is how you get a buy signal. Sorry, this is I have just explained how you get a buy signal. So I'm going to teach you how to get a sell signal. I will not be teaching you the stop loss and take profit. That's why you need to buy the course. See, I don't come up on YouTube and start giving you indicators. Indicators will blow your account to infinity. Like you will trade. Even when you grow old, you will still not make profits. It's just a knowledge. You need a knowledge that work. All these things that are working. Okay, now let's talk about how to get a sell signal. How to get a sell signal. If you look here, I seen this. I'm sorry, this is not what I want to show you. This is the daily time frame. If you look here, you will notice that in the day, there was a time this week hasn't found, and the body, if you compare the length of the body, it is actually greater than the overall length of the upper and lower wicks. In that case, what you need to do is you go to H4 and confirm that the current H4 is also bearish. Remember, the daily is bearish. Then you are looking for a bearish H4 candle. Okay, when such thing happens, please pay attention, please. When such thing happens, I'm not talking about this. You see, this is a very powerful strategy. With this strategy, you'll be rich. This is a very powerful. But the problem is that this is a free content. I didn't tell you how to take your profit. I didn't tell you how to place your stop loss. I only tell you how to buy and how to sell, which I'm actually I'm explaining how to sell now. So you need to enroll for VIP Millionaire Jump Index course. Just how to trade only jump indices. You have to you don't need to trade many assets, just one. You are rich. I'm telling you the truth. Now you're actually looking for a bearish candle like this in H4 and dailies, as I've explained to you. Make sure that the body length is actually greater than the total wicks length combined together. So now you go to M1. When you go to M1, such thing happen here. See it. I'm not talking about this this week ejection period, this bullish week ejection period. No, I'm talking about, you see here, I see it. The first thing you need to do is you have to confirm that the price action is below a moving average 20 and 200. Okay, yeah, it has to be below. Remember when we are dealing with buying, it has to be above. So it has to be below. Then what are you doing? You are waiting for a retracement to moving average 200 or 20. It does not matter where it retraces to, but what matters is, have you confirmed that the retracement has completed? It has to be completed. It is a very hard task to have patience for a retracement to complete. How do we know that the retracement has completed? Like you see, you are looking for a sell signal, so you actually you can't be selling here because it is below the moving average 220. No, you see, you can't be selling here. Please at times try to also draw your trend line as I did during buying. Just try to understand this, how to draw it. If you don't know how to draw a trend line, then enroll for the course, please spend that money. Some of you are victim of losing. Every day you lose and you are happy doing lose. I don't know why not use 50% of the proposed money, like the money you want to lose. Because it's not that you want to lose, but due to the fact that you don't know what you are doing, you keep losing. And this type of trading is that like you can easily be addicted. It can lead to addiction because it is synthetic, it is continuous, and it comes with huge like it promises a huge profit, and because of that you would like to be doing it over and over again. That is not trading. A good trader is the one that always wins the market, no matter how long it takes to even make a trade. Single trade, you are buying the whole. You are rich. You are. I don't know how to put it. You are rich. Single trade, you make. You make a profit than someone that had been trading for half a year, for months. that such person can never make. You make it in just one single trading session. Yes, because you know what you are doing. Though most of this thing depends on your equity. You can't be using $10 to be pushing $1,000 in just a day. Okay, so that is by the way. So make sure you actually enroll for my course or join my VIP signal so that you grow your money fast in as much as you are learning, you know. So that's by the way. So when you draw this trend line, you are waiting for a retracement. And the problem is that when the market is retracing, you don't know when it will complete, because you don't just want to enter at the middle of the retracement. You really need to enter when the retracement complete. So you actually patiently wait, or you delay the market. How do you do that? You wait for the price to react to 200. When it react to, to react to moving average 20. When it reacts to moving average 20 like here, you also wait to see if it can react to moving average 200. If it cannot react to moving average 200, then it will create a zone, a kind of M structure or a V structure, or it will start creating structure in a such a way that it will not, like, you will start noticing that the price is no longer moving in the retracement direction. This is the time to do what? Sell. See, some people are like, they will say, what of if I wait and they start selling? It's better that you enter when it is selling than you enter when the retracement has not completed, because I'm telling you, this market can retrace and come here, and then your little equity you have will blow your account. You see, so learn how to delay market until you start forming a zone. It has to form a zone or some structure like M or V structure, so that when it forms that, then when you notice there is low momentum towards the retracement direction, then the market is now on fire in the impulse direction. Okay, so in this case you sell. You see what happened? Are you seeing that sell? How do you feel? Big sell. Are you seeing it? This, imagine, see, you sold here, you cash over 600 pips. That is huge. One lot size here is giving you $600. Okay, I think with this you can start making profit. But if you really need a great content, a VIP content that is well garnished, that is well planned, that is well prepared, like the course content is accurately detailed, the take profit, the stop loss, other things you should know about jump indices that will actually make you succeed in trading this market, because my courses are experience driven. I don't teach jargon. I don't teach what I don't do or what I don't know. You see, if you come to my VIP, you see a lot of profit. These are subject to my own trading strategy and hidden ideas you can never see anywhere on the internet, only if you buy the course. And another thing, try to join my VIP signal. You need it. I tell you the truth, you need it. My VIP signal is very, very profitable. I send signal on Forex, boom and crash. I send signal on synthetic market like V's, boom and crash, jump indices, and then I send signal on stock market like S&P 500, gold. I'm sorry, gold is not stock, that is commodity. S&P 500 is under stock. US 30, US 100, that's NASDAQ. We send signal on those stuff. Even cryptocurrency. It's not that we just send signal anyhow. It depends on what is actually going to be profitable. It depends on the asset that will work, that will be profitable. That is what we send. We don't send signal on any asset. No. We could be sending signal on gold this week. Next week, you will not see gold signal. What you'll be seeing is synthetic. Okay, so it depends on the one that will give you profit. So we select the best among the many. That's what we do. So start changing your life. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Remain successful and bye for now.